Welcome to Integrazo. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Formidable Form with Zoho Bigin using the Integrazo plugin. Form submissions will be automatically sent to Zoho Bigin as contacts. No coding required. Let's get started. The plugin download link is available in the description below. Download the plugin and install it on your WordPress website. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see the Zoho integration menu in your WordPress dashboard, as shown in this video. Now, we're on the Accounts tab. Click the Add Account button to connect your Zoho Bigin account. Here, enter an account name to identify this connection. Next, select the service. Since we're integrating with Zoho Bigin, I'll select Zoho Bigin here. Next, select your data center based on your Zoho accounts region. I'll select zoho.com. After entering the account information, click Authenticate to proceed. You'll be redirected to Zoho's login and permission screen. Here, Zoho asks you to grant Integrazo permission to access your Zoho Bigin account. This authorization is required for the plugin to create and manage records in Zoho Bigin on your behalf. Check the box to allow access, then click Accept to continue. Your Zoho account is now connected successfully. Here, you can see the account listed with the service, data center, and the time it was added. Now, let's move to the Setup tab to create our integration. Here, click on the Add Integration button to create a new integration. First, provide a name for your integration. Next, select your Formidable Form from the Form drop-down. Then, choose the connected Zoho Bigin account. Finally, choose the module from the drop-down. The records will be created in the selected module whenever a form is submitted. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the Contacts module. After making your selections, proceed to the next step. Now, the field mapping section will appear. On the left side, you'll see the form fields, and on the right side, you'll see the corresponding Zoho CRM fields. Simply map each form field to the appropriate Zoho CRM field. If you need to map additional fields, click the plus icon to add a new mapping row. Then, select a form field from the left side and choose the corresponding Zoho CRM field from the right side drop-down. Continue mapping all the required fields to ensure your form data is synced correctly to Zoho CRM. Here, choose an action for your CRM records. For this tutorial, I'll keep it as Always Add as a new record. Next, you can choose whether to add a note to the record. If you select Yes, you can enter your note in this box. For this tutorial, I'll select No. You can also set up filter criteria to control when the integration should run, based on specific field values. Once you're done, click Save Mapping to complete the setup. The integration has been saved successfully and is now active. Your Formidable Form submissions will be automatically synced to Zoho Bigin according to the configured field mappings. Here, all your integrations will be listed. You can manage each integration using the available options. Use the toggle button to enable or disable the integration, or use the edit and delete actions to update or remove the integration whenever needed. Next, click on the Logs tab at the top. Here, you'll find all the error logs for your integrations. You can review any failed records and resync them whenever required. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to check the plugin link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.